just getting worse. Man, this is a pretty good storm. May 7, 2019. Wow. We are in Denver, Colorado. Wow. Man, it is really raining, isn't it? Wow, it's completely blowing. Jeez. Look at that, Mom.
What the heck?
Wow. Were you expecting it to be this bad?
Oh.
This is worse than I thought, too. Whoa, Mama, look it. There was floods like September a few years ago. Mama, I just saw a really bad flood over there. You missed it. Oh, I know you've been driving, but...
Hi. And they're raising this times 5.
Wow.
Well, I think it's...
Hang on, give me a minute.
You don't want to get water in your phone.
I know. Just showing the roads. It is raining like crazy right now. We are outside Subway. Oh my God, look at that flood, that river of water. Look at that river of water. Wow, unbelievable. Yeah, you guys are seeing a little bit of outside in Denver. Oh, look at the inside. The inside's soaking now. Wow, look at that. That's literally how much rain is coming down right now. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go. I'll see you guys a bit later. Take care.